Module 19, Lab 3, Task 1. Escalate IAM user privileges by exploiting misconfigured user policy. In the Parrot security machine, click the Mate terminal icon to launch a terminal window. Sudo su to get root access, and cd enter to jump to the root directory. In the terminal window, type in AWS configure and press enter. Enter the details of the target IAM user's access key in the AWS access key field and press enter. Similarly, in the AWS secret key access field, enter the target IAM user's secret access key and press enter. Now I've got these entered from our previous lab, so I'm just going to hit enter to confirm. And the default region name, we're actually going to use US TAC East TAC 2 and press enter. In the default output format, we're going to use JSON and press enter. After configuring the AWS CLI, we're going to create a user policy and attach it to the target IAM user account to escalate the privileges. In the terminal window, type in vim user TAC policy.json and press enter. This command will create a file named user TAC policy in the root directory. A command line text editor appears. Press I and type the script given below. This is an administrator access policy that gives administrator access to the target IAM user. Ignore any $ symbols in the script. After entering the script, press the escape button and type in :WQ exclamation point and press enter to save the document. Now we're going to attach the created policy to the target IAM user's account. To do so, type in AWS IAM create TAC policy, TAC policy, TAC name, user TAC policy, TAC policy, TAC document, file, // user TAC policy.json. And double check our syntax and enter. And it looks like I got a key invalidation, so I'm going to pause recording while I fix my keys. Be right back. All right, reconfigure the AWS keys, and this should fly. And let's give that one more try. All right, syntax errors in the policy. Let me double check my policy document. All right, and one more try. There we go. All right, the created policy is displayed, showing various details such as policy name, policy ID, etc. All right, in the terminal, we're going to type in AWS IAM attach user policy username. The target username here, we're going to use this test. TAC policy. Oops, username test. TAC policy. TAC ARN. Space. ARN : space ARN colon AWS colon IAM account ID colon policy / user tag policy, and definitely double checking the syntax on this. All right, glad I double checked that. I was missing a colon between IAM and the account ID, and enter. All right, one more shot without the dashes. And let's try that one more time. Excellent. Now type in AWS IAM list attached user policies, tag user, tag name, test, and press enter. And this shows the attached policies of the target user. Again, here, test. All right, the result appears displaying the attached policy name. Now that we've successfully escalated the privileges of the target IAM user account, you can list all the IAM users in the AWS environment. To do so, type in AWS IAM list tag users and press enter. The result appears displaying a list of the IAM users, as you can see on my desktop. All right, in the same way, you can use various commands to obtain complete information about the AWS environment, the list of S3 buckets, user policies, role policies, group policies, as well as to create a new user. This concludes the demonstration of escalating IAM user privileges by exploiting a misconfigured user policy. Close all open windows, and that completes our lab.